Okay, so I'm ready to rock. I'm taking one rod, one lure, one reel. Telescopic setup. You got everything? Oh, you got a bag. Oh, you taking a whole bunch of loads. I said I'm taking one. You gonna take 50. Well, Blaze on Mobile. Scorpion DC. Man, I'm hoping the wind doesn't ruin this. All right, so look, the thing that I was talking about earlier, the Fin Man Fishing Innovations patent pending snip, line cut, and lure guide or lure holder all in one. And I'm gonna put it on the back end of this telescopic rod. Even though on the back of this telescopic rod there is a lure holder or hook holder. Issue because this is too big. We have to get some bigger rubber bands. All right, I got it on there, but and it is really secure. I don't know, I'm gonna leave it alone for now. Got it on there. Hopefully y'all can see this. Yeah. But only one rubber band technically going on one side. Or O-ring is what they're using. And from my recent interactions with these O-rings off of something else, if you leave them on and forget about them, they will definitely dry rot. What I am going to do is cut that tag line off of here now. Something just jumped out there. Hopefully y'all can see this. Just put it right in and touch. And just press down. Boom. Took the tag. Extra line right off. Alright, let's see if I can get a fish. Fish are weird, man. One moment there. chase it, and when it comes to the top, hit it like that, like that. Yeah. Damn. See if I can do it again. Where's my lure? There it is. But like I was saying, these fish are so. One moment they want it slow retrieve, like a super slow retrieve. Next moment they want it ultra fast, and you pause, and when it comes to the top of the water, they take it just like that. There we go. I'm trying to run into the moss. Get off all that grass. There we go. Little one. That's the thing, man. This lure, like I said earlier. Whoa. There we go. Calm down. It's that time of the day. I think there's a turtle nearby. I just seen a whole nice load of bubbles. See that? Okay. This size all day long. And every once in a while, the big one to come and get it. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Calm down. Oh, okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. There you go. Alrighty, thank you. Take care, Toby. Toby's the dog. He's pretty mean. As soon as it hit the water. Do need to check my phone. Those waves when the fish hit are so crazy. When top water hits. Phew. Ooh. You want to talk about getting some video footage? This one's a runner. Feel the vibrations and everything in this thing. Okay, come here. Woo. He's got a little bit of size to him to be so small. This one must be a feeder. Mm-hmm. Okay. Well, see ya. Wouldn't want to be. I should have picked that fish up. Huh? Bluegill. I knew it was weird. New species. Well, not new, but new for the day. Putting it down. Still's got a lot of life. In the mail. Hook them in the mail. Uh-huh.